In using digital assets, users usually hold ownership of their assets through a private cryptographic key. Whoever holds the key owns the asset, which creates a high risk because it becomes a single point of failure. Threshold Network solves this problem using threshold cryptography. Instead of a single private cryptographic key, the key is split into several hundred pieces distributed across a network of independent participants, known as nodes. To authorize a transaction, threshold cryptography randomly selects a group of nodes, of which at least 51 of 100 must sign for the transaction to be approved. This way, no single entity ever holds custody of your key, keeping your asset secure and trust minimized. This is how Threshold Network secures Bitcoin when it is bridged to TBTC, replacing fragile single-key ownership with a decentralized set of randomly selected group nodes, creating a one-to-one decentralized representation of Bitcoin on-chain. To learn more, visit threshold.network.